Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Let's just draw. And I'm Pema Tamang. Currently I'm living in Tokyo and I'm actually from Nepal. But most of the time it's really hot, the weather. I live in Toshima, Toshima, and here is my surrounding areas. We have coin laundry down there, down in our apartment. Trees, and it's really nice here. Not that much noises. Yeah, it's really nice. The weather is also nice today. And this is my room. I'm gonna show you guys my room. Just wait. And most of the time I go to the park back in our house just to draw and just to chill and to get the wind. Right now I'm not wearing my glasses. Let me wear my glasses. And you guys might be thinking why I made this video, but it's not just to introduce my surrounding and my room and to show you my room, but I want a little bit of help from you guys. Right now I'm in Japan and it's really kind of hard to get job here for a foreigner, you see. So yeah, I just want you guys to like my videos and watch my videos, not daily, just when you have the time, you see. That's what I want from you guys, a little bit of help. Most of the time I make drawing videos, but I'm also thinking to do vlogs from today, not from today. It's been a while since I have been making vlog video as well. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is our washing machine. Use this, and that's our AC. And this is where we hang our wet clothes here. It's really kind of nice room, a small but nice room. I had 3 roommates with me. That's my bed, but right now my friend is staying there for a while. And that's my other friend bed, and actually this is my bed, and it's really kind of messy, so I don't want to show you guys. Now off to the kitchen. Here is where I make my art videos, and that's our fridge right there, and microwave. Off we go our shower room, a little shower room. There is our toilet, damn big. Do you have something to tell?
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
Fuck you.
Fuck you for.
Fuck you more than anything.
Yeah. And that's our condition right now. That's what all I can say right now, right for now. And so after this, I'll go to park and just chill there, having some drinks, and then I'll end this video. And this is the park where I always come. Look at those beautiful things. I want to eat right now. Right now I'm at another park. I'm currently at Ikebukuro. And it's really awesome, amazing park. Meow. 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 I think I got a cat. Meow. 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 I. Sur. Meow. Now let's sit on this bench. Bench kun. Ah, okay, nice view from here.
हाम्रो प्लास्टिकहरू बुढा रहेछन्